back to our channel. Once again, this is Fandom NY, Chelan here. And for today's video, we're going to show you how to make a table centerpiece or a column that you can put on top of your table. This is a birthday for a 1-year-old. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use a boo-boo balloon and we'll put this number 1 inside our boo-boo balloon. Okay? And with this orange right here, so to get the correct color for our theme, so we have the gold right here. This is 5 inches gold, and this is orange latex balloon, 7 inches. So we'll stuff our gold in our orange. Okay, let's put with this stick and stuff it in here. So they're all gonna be like that, stuffed with your gold. Okay, and also we have 7 inches chrome balloon. So we will inflate our blue chrome balloon to 6 inches. For this one, I'm gonna use our hand pump because it's double, so it's not gonna be strong enough in our air pump. So for this one, I will inflate this to 5.5 right here. Okay guys, so now all our balloons are inflated. So we need 4 of our blue balloons. So first, you're gonna tie it like this. Okay. Just connect them together. Okay, we'll use our DIY stand that we made, and we have a separate video for this. Please check it out. Just go like this, and then so that would be our base right here. Okay, so now with the orange, alright, and there it is. That's your base. We'll do the same on the other side. So now we're ready for our 260Q gold. I inflated about that and leaving the tip right here, tail. Alright guys, so I inflated all this 260Q gold. So this is already shiny, but I want to make it more shinier. So we're ready to attach our gold 260Q chrome. Alright, so put this on here. So right here, between the orange, that would be on that side, and I will put another one here. So just put it in here. There goes your gold right here. So all you need to do is just twist them just like that. Just keep twisting until you get to the top of your top of your stick here. So I'm gonna use one of this 260Q, twist it like that, and then you just tie. there goes your. So I'll do the same thing with the other side. And guys, we got this set up. Alright guys, so we're ready to inflate our Bobo balloon. So per instruction here at the back, you need to stretch this first, okay, before you inflate this, or else it will just pop on you. Okay, guys, so I stretched them all like this for both. Okay. Now we will inflate this first. So I will put air in here first so it'll stretch real good. Right there, and just let it sit so it'll stretch, you know, the material. Just like that. Then release the air. Alright, so inflate your balloon here, and then we're ready to stuff our number 1 foil balloon. Add a little air. Here's your number 1. So I'll add more air on the Bobo balloon. Add more air. There goes your number 1 right there. So I'm gonna twist this, and then we'll use a 260 strap balloon. There goes your number 1 inside a Bobo balloon. Alright guys, so we're ready to inflate our 7 inches blue. We're gonna put it on top here. So we'll inflate this to 3.5. There it is. And there goes your number 1. Now we're gonna add our 260 cube blue. Stretch this. So now they look like this. We will put this on here later. So before we do that, we have to put the 260Q gold. Put your stick here. We'll stuff it to our 260Q orange. And we'll put this on the top. Okay, so we'll have the same color like this. Alright, so I finally got it in here. Now we have to inflate this. We're hoping we have the same outcome with the color. So we get the same color. So I'll deflate this a little bit and then pump a little more air. And that way it'll be easier. This again. I want a little bit more because I want this wrapped around. So now we will put this here. I'll tie it to one of the balloon right here, one of the blue one. Get another one here so it's more sturdier. There. So now we're ready to add our final stuff here. I'm just gonna connect this. It's easier that way. Connect it like that, and we'll hang this here. On each end, and then you put it in between. Okay guys, for the final touch, to cover this area right here, so you can't see the knot that we did, the tie, we'll put one balloon right here. So another number 7 balloon, chrome, inflated at 2.5 inches. So I just like push it to make sure it's in between like this. Twist it, making sure they're about the same size. Then just wrap it around the rest of the balloon and then somehow make a loop and then twist it. Tie it. So there's your balloon and put it in between your balloon. Just so you can cover the front where you tie a knot. And here you go guys, it's all done. Hope you guys like this. And if you do, please don't forget to smash the thumbs up and share. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, this is Bam Bam NY, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you!